Are knots making you just super frustrated?
I am Miss Elora, and today I am going to be teaching you about the wonderful Slipknot. But one thing you should know before the video starts, never put it around your neck or anybody else's. So now I'm going to undo the knot, so you should also know. So see this tiny piece of rope that's in the knot that makes it go up and down? You push it out and then kind of tuck it and then around, up, down, and back. So that's how you undo the slip knot. Now we're going to go to the other straighter side. And we're going to get a lot of rope because this is hard. So we're going to turn, we're going to cross, up, down, turn, and go through that tiny hole. And pull these two, this string, and that. And there you have it, a slip knot. And just so you know again, don't put it around anybody else's necks or yourselves. So cross, go under, and keep on going under that string. Go through that tiny hole and pull this string up by the front of it. And then voila, you have a slip knot. And if you do it on the other side, you can make something that I think you and your brother or sister can do. If you're playing anything like cops, this would be a good thing to do. Around, down, through the hole on the other side and pull this hole, and now you have rings. And there you have it.